morning children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. I am a grade 4 English teacher children. Now today we are starting our revision. Essay 2 revision beta. Now see, write today's date 9/3/2021. Subject English, grade 4 beta. Grade 4. Essay 2 revision. What we are doing? These are the blocks. Children, we have all the blocks whatever we have completed. Now see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 22 and 23. These are the blocks what you have to do children. Children, don't worry. Okay, I will give you revision. Follow that revision. Okay children. Now see, first today in day 1 we are going to write glossaries. Now glossaries are not repeated every time. Okay, only once we will write a glossary beta. So see, write first with glossaries. Take out your classwork. I will show you how to write.
Children, look here carefully. Take out your classwork beta. If your classwork is completed, you have here two classworks beta. In classwork 1, pages are there. So what you will do? You need to fold like this. If you are taking new book, you have two classworks no beta. If you have pages, remaining pages, leftover pages in first classwork, you need to fold like this and write English essay 2 revision. If your classwork is completed, don't worry, you have another classwork. Take out, leave one page, fold like this and write English essay 2 revision. And write like this, date 9/3/2021, subject English essay 2 portion. These are the blocks what we have explained you this year. These are the blocks what we have explained you this year. Okay. Now see children, today we are starting revision. I am starting here revision beta. Today I am going to give you only glossaries. What I am going to read and give you, today I will explain you only glossaries. Better read what I am doing in the revision. Okay, don't worry about this portion here. Okay, you read glossaries, you follow the revision what I am giving you. Okay, now see beta, write like this, date, subject, right? These are the blocks what we have did this year. Okay. Next, I'm going to do only grammar part from this all blocks. Don't worry. Follow the revision. First bit, glossaries. This glossaries you need to write children neatly. Return, come or go back to place or person. Second one, expensive, something that cost a lot of money. Gorgeous, very beautiful. Glance, to take a quick look at something. Embarrassed, feeling uneasy or uncomfortable. Next, thunder, the loud sound made by clouds during the rain. Break time, rest, ignore, act like you did not see. Pale, light in color. See children, glossaries are very easy. These glossaries will not found in your reader. I have given you. So, make it clear to write it properly in your revision children. Next, 10th one, refused, said or shown unwillingness, relief, relaxed feeling, leisure, free time, couched, lay down. Tender, soft, curious, eager to learn or know something. Flap, to move quickly up and down. Birds will flap, no, their wings. Peel, pull off. Mess, dirty and untidy. Giggle, to laugh in a silly way between short breath. Din, a loud continuous noise. You have 20 glossaries children. How many glossaries? 20 glossaries. Enough. Now these glossaries I will not repeat again. For this full essay 2 revision you have only 20 glossaries. And be ready children, learn it very perfectly so that I'll give the meanings reverse. I'll write like this. Instead of tender, I'll write soft. You need to write tender. When you are perfect with the meanings, you can write like this. Or I'll give one small paragraph. You need to and I'll underline it. Read that paragraph and write the answers. You first be perfect with the glossaries. See, day 1 revision is 20 glossaries. Hope it is very clear and you all understood it. Okay, write it 2 times neatly. How many times children? 2 times neatly. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.